Today, I want to share something with you that can significantly improve your blood circulation in your legs and feet, providing much-needed relief. It's crucial to recognize that millions of people suffer from poor circulation in their lower extremities, experiencing issues like swelling, difficulty walking, and tightness in the ankles. Various factors contribute to this, including a poor diet, excessive refined sugars, leading to plaque accumulation in the arteries, diabetes, and carrying excess weight, whether you label it as obesity or being overweight. However, there's a simple at-home remedy that can bring about immediate changes and make you feel much better. But here's the catch: you need to change your diet, start exercising, and work on losing weight. What I'm going to share with you today can indeed deliver excellent results, but it's essential to understand that there's no magic drink, pill, or doctor that can make these changes permanent unless you take responsibility for your health. When it comes to foods that aid circulation, beetroot juice stands out as the best. It helps increase nitric oxide production, promoting vasodilation. Nitric oxide is crucial as it's produced deep within the blood vessels, not only in your legs but throughout your body. When an artery narrows, less blood can pass through, leading to reduced circulation and fluid retention, especially in the feet. By incorporating beetroot juice, lemon, and honey into your diet, you can trigger vasodilation and promote exercise-induced muscle contractions, making significant changes to your circulation. Beetroot juice, rich in nitrates, helps in lowering blood pressure and reducing stress on the heart. Lemons, high in vitamin C, act as powerful antioxidants, promoting blood vessel health by supporting collagen production. Collagen provides strength and elasticity to blood vessels, preventing damage and reducing the risk of conditions like atherosclerosis. Honey, with its medicinal properties, including flavonoids, helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, contributing to overall cardiovascular health. Here's a simple recipe for the elixir. 1 cup of beetroot juice, 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of raw honey or a natural sweetener. Blend these ingredients until well combined, let it settle, and then drink it slowly. There's no specific time to consume it, before, during, or after meals. The key is consistency. To enhance the effectiveness of this remedy, consider adding 1 or 2 cups of water to dilute the beetroot juice. Remember, beetroot is potent, and diluting it ensures you can consume it comfortably throughout the day. Additionally, physical activities like foot pumps, ankle movements, and leg contractions play a crucial role in improving circulation. Elevating your feet above your heart when lying down and incorporating walking or simple leg exercises can make a significant difference. In conclusion, adding beetroot juice to your daily routine, combined with lemon and a natural sweetener, can lead to remarkable improvements in your circulation. It's a safe, healthy choice for your cardiovascular system, and the results can be truly transformative. Start with once a day and observe how your body responds. I believe you'll experience positive changes, and your improved circulation will contribute to an overall sense of well-being. Share this information with your friends and family, and feel free to leave your comments below. Wishing you a fantastic day ahead.